What is up, Glam Squad? I'm here today with a DIY, and this time it's about shoes. So we're going to put fur on these shoes here. Lovely pink satin. If you have not already, stop what you're doing, subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date with some more DIY beauty tips and lifestyle hacks. Let's get to it. Okay, so for the supplies, you're gonna need, obviously, your chosen pair of shoes. You're gonna need glue sticks and a glue gun, a pair of scissors, your desired fur, and some saran wrap. No lie, no tea, no cap. I got these shoes from Amazon, but I believe the maker is Payless. I really have no problem with Payless heels. I feel like they're very sturdy in quality. So that's type of shoes I'm gonna pick for this video. I am no veteran in the game when it comes to DIY. I made these heels about 3 to 4 years ago. Of course they're like old now because I wear them a lot, but they've gotten me many compliments. A lot of girls, when I go out, they want to know how I got these shoes and where they came from and all that good stuff. The fur I personally bought from Amazon. I've actually been meaning to make these shoes for a couple years now. I just never really found the color and the material that I want. This is supposed to be like a satin make, which I think is really cute. Makes me feel really fancy. And then I couldn't find the fur to match the shoe because, you know, you don't want to have the shoe and the fur like too off in color. You want them to match perfectly. So that's what I found in finding this fur. Now for the black ones I just showed you guys, I got that fur from like a craft store like Michael's or one of those craft stores, and that was just easy because it was black fur. So we're just gonna open this up. And it should come out like a rope like this. And this is a 6-foot boa. Nice and soft and luxurious. Can't wait. Okay, so before I cut and paste and do all that stuff like that, I'm just gonna observe this string. I am going to kind of measure it and match it up with the shoe. I don't want it to be too dramatic. I want it to be nice and cute but nice and full. So I'm probably gonna end up using 2 of these bad boys. Just like this. To get that look. And that's already so cute. Okay, so I know you guys have probably seen the saran wrap in the beginning. It was like, what in the world is the saran wrap for? So because I am a frugal queen and a queen of many outfits and many desired looks, I like to put the saran wrap on the like tip of the shoe or just around the strap itself, because if there's an event where I want to remove the fur and I need these shoes for an event, or the fur just doesn't go with my style, I want to be able to remove it. So in putting this saran wrap, it just protects the shoe, so you can take off the glue and the fur and the shoe's unharmed. So I'm just gonna get me a little piece of saran wrap. Most likely I can probably cut this in half and use it for the 2 shoes. So I'm gonna just open up like that. Y'all know how saran wrap be. We're just gonna cut this in half like this. Okay, so just like to protect the shoe. It's nothing serious. You don't have to do this. You can skip this step if you want to, but hey, if you want to wear these shoes again for something else and you don't feel like having glue stains, this is the only way to go.
You answered!
I'm filming a video, guys, and my friend calls me.
Oh, I look so rough. I cannot show my face.
Alright, so I'm going to take this piece right here. I'm just going to wrap it around. Like this. Okay, so when I'm wrapping it like this, I'm just gonna pull it forward and just make sure that part is covered. Now it's obviously not gonna stick, but this is where the glue gun comes in handy. And we are just gonna secure that. And squeeze it as best as you can, and then you can just glue the rest. Okay, so now that I wrap that piece over, I'm gonna come with my little glue gun, you know, locked and loaded. And there we go. I'm just gonna secure that saran wrap a little bit, just right here, to kind of hold a piece. It's not the most important part, but you just want to keep that down. Okay? Now I'm just gonna do this to the next shoe. Okay, so you see I already put way too much saran wrap on this side, but it's okay though, because we're protecting it. That's all that matters. So now what we're about to do is we're about to come in with the fur. And like I said, I prefer a 2-strand. Maybe that might be too much. Hold on, let me see. No, I'm very fancy, so I'm gonna use 2 strands. So what I'm going to do is measure it. So don't forget you have this string here. I like my fur to come all the way down. So I'm gonna measure it going one way like this, and then we're gonna come in with the other piece like that. So then now we're gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it like this. Okay. And then we are gonna put the glue on it and get started. Okay, so I already did the first one. That's how it looked. Doesn't it look mad cute? Like, wow, look at that. Like $1,000,000. All right, so now I'm gonna go in and do the other one. Like, look at these beauties. Look at them. So just to give it like a little touch up, we're just gonna go over with the scissors and just, you know, give it a little trim and make sure everything is okay down here. So I'm gonna definitely cut off this extra piece, baby. Yeah, because it's like hanging down. So we're just gonna give it a little customization, you feel me? Cut that off, cut that off. This side doesn't really have anything going. Let's check the other one. Not really, but we can definitely cut this harsh piece off. A lot of times the fur comes with it's built with like a harsh lining underneath. I'm gonna cut off that piece of glue. We don't need that, okay? On the lowest key, we can kind of trim this too a little bit to kind of match the other shoe. Let's trim Not too much. Don't get crazy, but just trim it. You feel me? Okay, and voila, this is the final look. This is the final product, guys. Yes, look at it. Okay, and now you're ready to go wherever you want to go, to the ball, to the mall, in the fall. Okay, and that's how I make these DIY satin pink fur heels. I will send you guys the link in the bio on where to buy the shoes and the fur and the other stuff like this. You can pretty much get it from the craft store. Like always, guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and stay up to date with the Glam Squad. Join us if you have not joined us already. It is glamorous over here. Bye, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Mwah. See you next time.